Hello and welcome to section 8. In this section, we will go ahead and learn how to integrate your Hadoop storage with Apache Storm. So this section is going to be one of the great interesting sections because in this section, I'll show you how you can grab your data from Twitter and how to store that in Hadoop HDFS. The reason why I have chosen this kind of example is I was pretty much bored about that number topology examples. So thought to do something different here. So in this video, we will first go ahead and understand how you can grab the Twitter feeds and how you can store that in the file. So first of all, we will understand what kind of project we are going to deal with, and then we will create our Twitter spout. So during that operation, you will understand how you can connect your spout to external resources, and then we will create our file writer bolt, which will write the tweets in the file. So the plan of action that I'm doing here is I will be writing a Storm code which will connect my spout, which will ensure that my spout will connect to Twitter, and whatever tweets the spout collects, the text will be stored in the file. So the bolt will accept the tweets and the tweet text will be stored in the file. So this is the kind of topology that I'm going to create. So the little prerequisite for you to ensure that you run this program is you need to have a Twitter account. And when I say a Twitter account, you should have a verified Twitter account. So your mobile number must be verified, and you should also have the API keys to connect to the Twitter through the application. So in my video, I will show you how you can have those API keys. Of course, you need to create your Twitter account from your end. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to create your API keys, which you will use for your application. So once you log into your Twitter, you need to just connect to the website apps.twitter.com. So I have used multiple Twitter apps for multiple trainings and also for multiple operations. So in case if you're doing this for the first time, you will get this create new app button in the middle of the page. So all you have to do is just create a new app. So I'll just say here for packed storm course demonstration. I'll say demo on storm Twitter. Website, you can give any website. For example, I'll just say here yahoo.com. This is just for the formality we are doing. Accept the developer agreement and create your Twitter application. So the reason why we are creating this application is we need the keys so that our Storm spout can connect to our Twitter account. So we need 4 keys. Out of that, 2 keys are available here. So we have the consumer key. So I'll just click on keys and access tokens to get that. So we have the consumer key, the consumer secret, and we need to generate the access token and access token secret. For that, you need to click on create my access token. Now, if you see here, you have all the 4 keys. You have the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, as well as the access token secret. Now, please note, while doing this demonstration, I will use these keys. However, once I complete my demonstration, I will delete this application. So in the code, you will not find the keys, and it will be your responsibility to create your own keys before you execute your code. So once your keys are being created, the next step is we'll go ahead and we will check out our spouts and bolts. So this is how our spout looks like. So basically what we have done is in the open method, if you observe, I am just enabling my spout to connect to the Twitter. To connect to the Twitter, he requires 4 keys. That is the consumer key, the consumer secret, the access token, as well as the access token secret. Just now we saw how to generate these 4 keys. And once again, please note, when you will get this code, maybe these keys will be there, but these keys will not work because I'll be deleting that application. So yeah, here you need to specify your keys. And once you do that, this is the place where actually we are connecting to the Twitter by saying add listener. And we are also filtering the Twitter query. So this is the place where I'm maintaining my filters. So I will collect all the tweets which contains the word artificial intelligence. That's what I'm going to do here. So this spout will take care of connecting to the Twitter, get all the tweets, and maintain only those tweets which contains the word artificial intelligence. So this is how you write your spout. The next is I'll show you how to write your bolt. So in this case, I'm just using the same code that we used in our previous section. We actually saw how to write our file writer bolt. I'm using the same thing, but in the execute, there's a little difference. Since we are getting the tweets is of type status. So that is something which you need to remember. So we are grabbing the entire tweet, which is by default in JSON format. And from there, we are extracting the tweet text. And also, I'm extracting the name of the user who has written the tweet. And I am emitting it in tuple in the form of tweet text and the username. And also, I am writing the tweets in this way. So I'm writing the tweet text and comma the user. So it's like a CSV file where the first field is the tweets and the second field is the user who written the tweet. So this is my tweets to file. If you check my topology now, my topology is very straightforward. Let me just delete the unwanted stuff. So as you can see here, I'm setting up my spout as tweet collector, which is the tweet connect spout. And I'm setting up my bolt as write tweets to the file. And also, as usual, I'm setting up the directory. Now, please remember, as we all know, this directory should exist. Otherwise, it will throw an error. One more small thing. To run this application, you must have the Twitter 4J libraries. So what I have done is I will be providing you the jar files by default with the package in the code folder. So all you have to do is right click, build path, configure build path, add external jars, and you will find a folder called Twitter dependencies in your code folder, which will be provided along with the course. And there you will find these two jar files. These are the only two jar files that you will require for this example. You need to just click on open and apply and close. That's it. Your jars is been set. Once this has been set, the last thing what you need to do is you need to execute your application. Now, what I have done here is, I have maintained my sleep up to this much time just to ensure that in case my internet is slow, still my application can grab some tweets to the minimum before it kills the Storm application. So I'll just go ahead and execute this in front of you. I'll just click on OK. So the expectation is you will be also seeing the tweets here live. You'll see the tweets here. You can see these are the tweets. Everything you're seeing it in the console. And not only in the console, you're also going to store the tweets in the file. So I'm just waiting for them to complete the process. It will take around a minute. I'll just wait to complete. So one thing is for sure, yes, this application is able to connect to Twitter and he's able to grab all the possible tweets. And at the back end, my bolt is taking care of writing the tweets in the file. So I'll just wait for them to complete. I think in next 20 seconds it will complete. Okay, I guess it's done. It's about to be shutting down. And it's shut down successfully. Now what I will do is, let me just check here. I'll just right click, refresh the folder Twitter data. Yes, this is my output tweets and these are my tweets. Okay. So basically we have successfully done one small thing. What we have done is whatever tweets we have, we also maintained which user have tweeted this. For example, if you see here, this is the tweet. Okay, this is the tweet, whereas this is the username of the user who tweeted this. So what we have done till now is we have successfully created an application that can connect to Twitter and can store the data in the HDFS.